I joined the BPP. I got access to the Build My Plants app and the library, the virtual kitchen, and things like that. And the first thing I did was watch a lot of your videos on macronutrients. Like I was aware of macros, carbs, fats, proteins, but as a vegan, not so much. Learn what items were higher in protein, and following the meal plan in conjunction with working out allowed me to see some of the best results I had seen in my life. So I just started like dropping not even so much weight, but more so fat. Like my clothes started fitting me differently. Like I had just started a new job. I had to buy clothes, and maybe within a month and a half, like I had to buy more new clothes. Yeah. So my first call was with Dwayne, and I told him like, my daughter's about to start walking. I want to be able to keep up with her. I want to be able to run after her because she's gonna be on the go. And
Yeah.
boy, was that accurate as crap because she is on the go. I joined the BPP. I got access to the Build My Plants app and the library, the virtual kitchen, and things like that. And the first thing I did was watch a lot of your videos on macronutrients. Like I was aware of macros, carbs, fats, proteins, but as a vegan, not so much. Like as a non-vegan, it was kind of simpler. But as a vegan, I had to figure out like the vegetables I had to consume that had added protein in them, like the mushrooms and the broccoli and things like that. Seitan, tofu. Learn what items were higher in protein or like healthy fats, like avocados and stuff like that. So I did a little bit of that research. I started following the meal plan, and following the meal plan in conjunction with working out allowed me to see some of the best results I had seen in my life. So I just started like dropping not even so much weight, but more so fat. Like my clothes started fitting me differently. Like I had just started a new job. I had to buy clothes, and maybe within a month and a half, like I had to buy more new clothes. And it was a little frustrating because I was working at a law firm at the time, and my clothes were looking nice on me, and then they went baggy, and then I got feedback, and they were like, "Oh," I was like, "Come on, like clearly I'm doing something here. Like let me be great."
Right.
So that was the exciting part about the entire program, was like seeing the results of my consistency. And that's probably one of the biggest things that I walked away from it is like consistency is key. Like continue to eat the way I was eating, doing my workouts 5 a.m. was not gonna, it don't have to be 5 a.m., but for me it was 5 a.m. because if I did it later in the day, I would be tired. I tried working out later in the day, it just was not for me. But just sticking to that and just being consistent really paid off for me. And I was just really grateful for you all giving me like those tools and that teaching of food, because it helped me change my relationship with food. Like I can say that, I was really just eating for the sake of eating sometimes. Like when I saw something I liked and it just happened to be vegan, I'd be like, oh yes, let me buy that.
Yeah.
And that's not my mindset anymore. Like my mindset is like, oh cool, that's vegan. What's the nutritional facts on it? It's too high in fat. It's too high in carbs and stuff like that. Like it's not too high in calories. It's not going to work for me for my goals. And that allowed me to just kind of just reapproach how I shop, how I eat, and just how I invest in myself.
Yeah. Appreciate you sharing that.